Have you ever wondered what makes Punta Cana the second most popular tourist destination in Latin America? What is it about this city that draws millions of tourists each year? Is it the pristine beaches, the vibrant nightlife, or the rich history that captivates the visitors? Could it be the diverse cultural heritage, the warm hospitality of its people, or the unique blend of modern conveniences and timeless traditions? What makes it stand out from cities in the Caribbean? These questions and more beckon us as we endeavor to learn more. Let's journey through time and unfold the story of Punta Cana. This resort town, nestled in the easternmost region of the Dominican Republic, was politically incorporated as the Verón Punta Cana Township in 2006. It's under Higüey Municipality in La Altagracia province, known for its breathtaking white sand beaches, clear turquoise waters, and awe-inspiring natural beauty. A popular vacation destination, it's home to luxury world-class golf courses and offers numerous water sports activities. Punta Cana had a population of 138,919 inhabitants as of 2022. The Punta Cana International Airport, a mere 1.9 miles from the island's breathtakingly beautiful coast, is a bustling hub of activity. Each year, it welcomes hordes of global tourists, eager to discover the Caribbean's hidden jewels. Surprisingly, this airport handles 64% of all inbound flights to the Dominican Republic, a figure that exceeds even the Las Americas International Airport in Santo Domingo, a key location in the capital. It's a testament to Punta Cana's appeal, outshining even the country's capital. Punta Cana, located on the easternmost tip of the Dominican Republic, is globally celebrated for its dazzling white sand beaches, the expanse of blue turquoise waters, and numerous balnearios. These natural spas are uniquely situated, facing both the Caribbean Sea and the Atlantic Ocean, which is a rare geographical feature. The weather here, largely tropical and humid, remains hot for most parts of the year, making it a reliable vacation spot for sunseekers. The most direct sunlight in this region falls on the northern tropics during late summer and autumn, illuminating the landscape in a radiant glow. The Punta Cana region, with a population around 100,000, has seen a vigorous 11% annual growth rate since 2011. This vibrant locality in the Caribbean is surrounded by stunning landscapes, including the tranquil Cabeza de Toro village and the picturesque beaches of Bávaro and El Cortechito. Despite its rapid development, Punta Cana maintains a serene proximity to tradition, as evident in the nearby city of Higüey. Founded half ago, Higüey, 28 miles away, is a charming historical hub, accessible within an hour's drive. The nearest city, the 500-year-old Higüey, is 28 miles away, which takes about an hour to reach by car. European entrepreneurs, especially Spanish hotel chains, own all but 2 of the over 50 mega resorts at the Punta Cana tourism destination. This awe-inspiring coastline, one of the most captivating sceneries in the Caribbean, extends for an impressive 62 miles. Visitors are often fascinated by the soft, constant breezes that add a calming rhythm to the picturesque setting. The azure ocean waters are predominantly shallows, flaunting numerous natural marine pools that are both awe-inspiring and safe. These pools provide a unique bathing experience where visitors can themselves fearlessly interacting with a variety of marine life. The Punta Cana coastline is indeed a mesmerizing spectacle of nature's wonder, guaranteeing an unforgettable Caribbean holiday. The ocean waters are mainly shallows, with several natural marine pools in which visitors can bathe without danger. Bávaro, the area stretching from Cabeza de Toro to Macau Beach, morphed into a hospitality hub as hotels began sprouting along the eastern coast. Once a quiet district, it's now bustling with activity, thanks to its thriving hotel industry. Verón, the main town, is now expansive, even surpassing Higüey in size. A historical anecdote recalls that Verón was christened after a French timber merchant who operated out of this region in the early 1930s. Today, Verón serves as a vital center for the hotel industry's workforce and related operations. Punta Cana Village, with a bustling population of approximately 3,000 residents, lies nestled in the arms of a grand project spearheaded by the famed Punta Cana group. This ambitious project was born in the year 1969, when an expansive tract of land ripe for development was acquired by the group. It was a visionary move, one that would sow the seeds of a vibrant community in the years to come. The ensuing decades saw a surge of development activities, transforming the once unassuming landscape into a thriving, dynamic village. The master plan, meticulously designed and thoughtfully executed, promised a harmonious blend of modernity and tradition. Today, after years of relentless work, Punta Cana village stands as a testament to this incredible journey of transformation and the unwavering commitment of the Punta Cana group. In 1969, the area was purchased by this organization, and development began in the following decades. In essence, Punta Cana is a vibrant blend of culture, history, and natural beauty. This Caribbean paradise boasts breathtaking beaches, glistening waters, and lively city life, all contributing to its diverse charm. The history is deeply ingrained, reflecting in its architectural marvels and local traditions. Balnearios, a unique feature, offer relaxing retreats for visitors. The city's constant growth and evolution, the backdrop of the Caribbean, form an engaging narrative. And as Punta Cana continues to grow and evolve, it remains a testament to the enduring allure of the Caribbean.